Be patient. In 4 minutes, we should be at school.
Where are we?
We're here now. We are at school. Come with me. We are having class.
Who are they?
Those are the school children, students.
Who is that?
That is the teacher.
What door is that over there?
That is the class.
What are we doing?
We are waiting for the bell to ring. That's the bell. Let's go.
What are we doing today?
We are learning.
I know that. But what are we learning today?
We are learning a language. You can choose the language that you want to learn.
I want to learn Spanish.
I learn English, so I am learning English today. You learn Spanish, so you are learning Spanish today.
What is he learning?
He learns German, so he is learning German here.
There is another group of children over there.
We learn French in my country too. We are learning French next year.
You all are learning Italian. That's not English.
I know. Our teacher teaches us many languages. They learn Russian, so they are learning Russian here too.
Learning languages is interesting.
We want to understand people. We want to speak with people.
That's very good.